Hey, what's up guys? Jake here with Success Motors. Man, I've got a really cool walk around video for you guys today. As you can see behind me, and as you probably already read the description of the video, guys, this is a very unique truck. I would argue it's not a one of a kind. That's a little bit of a stretch, but guys, this is a true one owner grandpa truck, garage kept, rust free, 7.3 liter Powerstroke diesel, no accident history, no damage history, no drama, no nothing. Guys, this is an incredible truck. It's a 96 F-250 7.3 four-wheel drive, mint condition. Guys, I'm gonna take my time on this video. I want to do it justice. I'm gonna try to remember to say everything that I can about it. But again, my goal is to do these videos so that you know if it's worth your time to drive down or fly down to College Station. But if you'd like to, we can actually handle this entire transaction electronically, and we can deliver this truck to you no matter where you are in the lower 48 states. But without further ado, let me get out of the way and just kind of start walking around this truck. So I just want to repeat, this is a 96 Ford F-250. It is an XLT. It is the 7.3 liter Powerstroke diesel. It is a four-wheel drive. And guys, this is a true single owner, grandpa owned, rust free, accident free, no damage reported free. I mean, this thing is mint condition, guys. I have a stack of receipts from when this thing was new until now. I've got a bunch of things that come with the truck as far as like receipts and documents, etc. Guys, this thing is absolutely beautiful. And in fact, I knew this truck was going to be so nice. I thought this truck was so nice that I wanted to take it through our mechanic, which is, we use them. You can Google them right now. They're in College Station. They're the Right Shop. It's literally called The Right Shop. And the owner's name is Logan. And I took this truck in just kind of preemptively to have him look at it and make sure that it was mechanically sound. And he drove the thing. He had his tech drive the thing. They looked it up and down in between everything. They couldn't find any leaks. He said the transmission is perfect. The clutch is perfect. He said it drives great. He said this is one of the nicest OBS Fords he's ever seen. So guys, this thing has a clean bill of health. We went ahead and serviced it. This actually has an extra oil, I guess, oil relocation kit. So it's got, I believe, 2 or 3 oil filters. Anyway, we fully serviced it. It was like 800 bucks. We did all the oil filters. We did the fuel filter. We did new oil, all of that, plus the inspection. Guys, this thing is right, tight, and ready to rock and roll. And oh my gosh, I forgot to mention the most important thing aside from it being a one owner. Guys, this is a 5-speed manual. Guys, this is the one that everybody is looking for. It's a 5-speed manual transmission, single owner, and only has 154,000 miles on it. So I did want to show you guys, I forgot my phone and I put it on my phone. So let me hop in the office here. Forgive this part of the video, but I write down everything that I want to make sure to say. And so I got this from the previous owner of the truck. So I guess I'll just show you. There's no value. You can't really see that. But in the last 20,000 miles, the clutch was redone, the valve cover gaskets, glow plugs, steering gear, both batteries, drive belt tensioner, serpentine belt, vacuum pump, coolant flush, front wheel bearings, brakes, and a few other small things were done. So in the past 20,000 miles, everything I just said was complete. Shocks and struts were replaced at 105,000 miles. I don't know what year that was. And then tires replaced at 146,000 miles. Again, I don't know what year that was. And then we had it at the Right Shop on August 28th of 2025. So feel free to call them if you want to, but guys, this truck has been thoroughly serviced, looked at, inspected. It's ready to go. All right. Hopefully you can see my excitement. Again, I just want to do this truck justice. If you are watching the video, you know what you're watching and you probably appreciate the details. So it's the beautiful blue color, exterior, interior are both blue. It's got the painted to match camper shell, which I understand has been on it since new, which is pretty epic also. But let me just show you around, guys. This thing is, I'm calling it mint condition. It was garage kept from day one. Paint looks phenomenal. Clear coat is absolutely superb. There is zero body rust or cancerous rust on this thing. Of course, it's got like a little bit of oxidation on the frame rails, etc. But man, guys, this thing from like doesn't have any paint bubbling anywhere. This is just exceptional. It does have, what, 2 rock chips right there, 3 rock chips. So I try to show you guys everything, of course. And again, these tires, I don't know the date code on them, but they don't have any dry rot on them. They've got great tread life. And you can see they're the all-terrain BF Goodrich KO2s. Coming around here, of course, we're on the passenger side, although I can't wait to show you the hood. Look at the hood. Clear coat is perfect. Roof looks like that also. A-pillars are great. The paint is shiny, it's reflective, it's got the shimmer in it, kind of like they do with the modern paint jobs. Looks so good. No dents, no dings, perfect paint. Well, no dings. It does have a few rock chips, of course. It's still been driven, and it's what? How old is this thing? 29 years old. But it's as nice as it can be for 29 years of age. That I am absolutely certain of. If you have any questions, call me 979-202-1948. Guys, you won't be disappointed in this truck if you buy it sight unseen and have it transported to wherever you are. You won't be disappointed. It runs good, it drives good, and again, that is mechanic verified. Little scratch down to metal there, scratch down to metal there, and a scratch right there. Zoom out. Very nice passenger side. All the door panels line up, no door sag. There's a couple little rock chips and scrapes and scratches. Wheels look good. Tires are all looking good. It does have a set of Firestone airbags underneath there, which is kind of interesting and unique. Coming around back. So check it out. I mean, it's got a Department of Wildlife sticker on it, dated 1999. So this camper shell's been on it since at least 1999. I feel like that's a fair assumption to make. Got a couple little scratches. Again, a couple scratches here. I think to make it truly perfect, you want to get maybe some touch-up paint. Here's where you would inflate those airbags. Airbag. Let me show you in here. I think it's cool with a camper shell. I like camper shells. Looks great in here. Of course, it's been used as a truck throughout its life, but really the bed is in good condition. Not a lot of big dents or dings or anything like that. Just some scratches and scrapes. Just, what you would think a 1996 F-250's bed would look like. It looks like a serial number on the and a data manufacturer. Yeah, the data manufacturer looks like it says 31297. So that's pretty epic. Tailgate, of course, works and functions. These locks both work and function. Couple little scratches right there, and a little ding right there. So we've seen some scratches and some rock chips, but man, not enough to deter from the quality and condition of this thing, guys. Little rock chip there. This paint has not been, we did not do a polish, we didn't do a paint correction, we didn't do a wax, we didn't do nothing. And you can see I haven't seen, there's no spots of rust, there's nothing like that. Tires look good. The drip rails look good. I've never seen an OBS this nice, guys. We've even had one, we just had that red single cab F-250 with had 125,000 miles on it. And man, that one wasn't even as nice as this, but then that was extremely nice. I think we've only seen like one dent maybe or ding on the back of that bed by the tailgate. Otherwise, just been a few rock chips. Again, clear coat is perfect. No flaking anywhere, no oxidation anywhere. And again, no rust to speak of. And now check out this hood, guys. Hood is superb. This is what would tell on us if it had spent time outside. It's beautiful. Original paint, never painted. Grill is fantastic. Original headlights. You can see they got a little bit of yellow to them. Original headlights. No cracks in the windshield. Woo, it's a hot day down here in Texas. You guys like and subscribe. I'm putting in work on these videos for you all. Everything is clean and as you would expect. Again, just a little bit of oxidation and whatnot down here, but no rust in the rockers, nothing significant. And you can see right there the relocation kit on that oil relocation kit. The mechanic explained to me that that's a pretty popular and common thing to do. Everything works. Door panels look like they're in great shape, great condition. Steering wheel's in good shape. Both tanks work. Seats are in really great shape. No tears, no rips. And again, like I said, there she is, the 5-speed transmission, the holy grail, if you will. 4-wheel drive, trailer brake controller, original stereo, true time capsule here. Headliner looks really good. Let me get up and show you the roof, guys. Roof is superb. Drip rails look great, like I said. Roof is great on the truck and the camper shell. Pop the hood. Show you under the hood here in a minute. Passenger side. And same thing, guys. No rust anywhere. This is a clean truck, rust-free, accident-free, damage-free on Carfax. Great history. I'd say the interior is a really strong, like 9.8 out of 10. And the only thing I would deduct it for is I'll show you here in a minute. These seats are perfect. Like nobody ever sat here. Carpets are clean, free of any major stains. Got this center console thing, which is cool. Original owner's manual in there. All right, as you can tell, it does have one little crack on the dash right there. So that's the only thing that I would deduct for in the interior. Roof. Nothing to hide on this bad boy. Super nice. All right, let me try to pop the hood here. It's kind of hard to do with one hand in the camera. Perfecto. Again, being redundant now, but a lot of things were done to it in the last 20,000 miles, and then we had it thoroughly inspected right here in town at the right shop and fully serviced. They could not find any leaks or anything that needed addressing. And guys, they are not an in-house mechanic. They are a third-party mechanic, meaning they try to charge me as much money as they can. So if they didn't find any issues, that's a pretty good sign. It'd be one thing if I said, oh, my mechanic didn't find anything. But no, a third-party mechanic who makes money by finding stuff, they didn't find anything. All right, let me start this thing up. Not a cold start. Still has the wait to start light on over there. Started right up. We're in neutral. 154,756.4 miles. Again, well, you can see the temperature gauge is pretty darn close to cool down there. It hadn't been driven much. It just been pulled out of the garage, and it's a hot day. But you can see batteries are normal. Everything is working. We're on the rear tank right now because the front tank is empty. But let me see if I can show you that. If I hit front, you can see that gauge moving. The front tank is empty, so I'm just going to keep it on the rear. But that was enough for you to see it switch between. Stereo is working. You can see it's the original. It's showing the time there, although it's not the correct time. AC is working. It's blowing ice cold. Air conditioner works. Power window on the passenger side. Power window on the driver's side. And locks. What else to show you guys? I'm not going to actually drive this one. You are absolutely welcome to come down here and we'll take it for a test drive. But I am not set up to drive this truck and hold the camera. But I will show you. Let's see here, I've got the parking brake engaged, I believe. All right, parking brake disengaged. Clutch, again, was rebuilt in 20,000 miles ago. I'll show you. Boom, just went into first. Truck moving. Reverse. Neutral. Parking brake. Guys, everything works. AC's blowing cold. I'll get out here in a minute and show you it doesn't have any blow by and let you hear it idle. But guys, as far as I can tell, there's nothing to hide with this truck. This is an extremely nice truck. Again, I'm not going to drive it, but you are more than welcome to come out here and drive it. You're more than welcome to send a mechanic. Extremely confident in this truck. I've driven it. It drives great. Clutch is perfect. And again, it was even driven by a tech at the right shop as well as the owner. And they both said the same thing. It runs and drives great. Perfect history. If you're interested in it, give me a call, 979-202-1948. I believe this truck is going to sell quickly, but it's going to be stored inside waiting for you until you're ready to send some money. Again, if you want to come down here, we got an airport in College Station, or you can fly into Houston and Uber down here, or we can handle everything electronically and I can transport this truck directly to your door. But all right, let me get out and let you hear it idle, and then we'll wrap this video up, and then you'll give me a call and buy this truck. No blow by. No smoke. No nothing. Well, there you go, guys. Steering is tight, suspension is plush, brakes are great. Guys, this is a phenomenal running and driving Ford F-250. Let me know if you have any questions. As always, God bless you, and I will talk to you very, very soon.